Hello, and welcome to a little escape from reality. This test by SpaceX happened a few months ago,
Spacecraft is go for flight.
and it was to demonstrate a one-of-its-kind landing flip maneuver. Even if this test wasn't fully successful. One can only wonder what will come next. This is a vampire squid, and although its name may sound scary, you would never guess what it actually feeds on. It feeds on poop and other waste from the deep sea. It actually uses a feeding tentacle, and that's how it gets its food. This is probably the weirdest fish I've ever seen. It's called a barreled eye fish. And if you thought the two black dots on the front were its eyes, think again. Because it's those two creepy green orbs. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. I wanted to leave you with a positive message for the day. And I'll see you guys on your next little escape from reality.